My name is Abigail, and I'm the Bereavement Coordinator here at Hospice of North Idaho, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to navigate grief in the upcoming holidays. Grief is the normal, natural response that we have when we experience the death of a loved one. Your grief is as unique to you as that relationship was with the person that you've lost. Here at Hospice of North Idaho, we believe that if you're old enough to love, you're old enough to grieve, and that's why we support everyone on their grief journey. There is no pill or quick fix that can fix your grief with the snap of a finger, but we believe that in each of us there's an innate ability to heal. To facilitate the healing process that we need for our grief, we need safe, supportive people around us. We provide monthly support group series called Journey Through Grief, Camp Kinixu, which is our kids' grief support camp, and support during the holidays. Because we're coming up on the holidays, we like to offer some extra support for those going through a loss. We hold a Grief in the Holidays event every November. This is an event that we hold as a workshop to allow people to come up with a holiday grief plan. This is for us to help you identify your strengths as you go into the holiday season and to help you with some things that you feel that you may be struggling with. It helps you determine what do you want to do for the holidays and what do you maybe not want to do and where you need help from those around you. So we'll provide you with that support and the tools and resources that you need to go into that holiday season. This is a free event that we will hold on Thursday, November 20th from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. We will have soup provided and you can register on our website or you can call us at 208-772-7994. The other event that we hold is our annual tree lighting ceremony. We hold in memory of those that have been on our services and those in the community that need a spot to grieve. We'll have a choir come out to sing. We'll provide you with a little goodie bag and a cookie and a loving memory ornament and some heartfelt messages as you go onto your luminary walk outside on our beautiful campus. We'd love to see you there. December 4th, we have a 4:30 ceremony or a 6 o'clock ceremony, and you can register on our website. If you're at a facility or a business that is looking for some personalized grief support for yourself and your staff, you can always reach out to me. I'd be happy to come by and just offer some staff support to you all as a group, give you time to grieve. You can always reach me at griefsupport@honi.org.